Alright, guys, we have ta-da! Blaster Box of NXT 2017. 72 cards, one guaranteed hit. Gonna pull out our soon to be replaced trusty fingernail clipper. Yeah, I'm gonna replace that soon so we can have an actual kniff as we do this. But until then, here's our blaster box. And it's not packs, it's literally just 72. That's weird. Huh. So, every blaster box we've had, and it says 72 cards, it doesn't say 10 packs. But it is literally, look, it's in, just in a cellophane. And it is 72 cards and a relic. The problem with that is, of course, you know, the packs give you a chance at something else, to where I don't feel like this will, but that's okay. We have our guarantee. Plus, I mean, good chance to work on finishing out our base set, especially since last video we just opened 4 of the fat packs. So, we are just going to go. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take, because the relic is at the middle part, what we're going to do is we're just going to put it on the bottom. We don't see it until the end. How's that sound? We don't know what we have. We'll get it at the end and have some fun. So I am seeing a couple doubles early, which is fine. I don't know. I don't really know how big this set is. I haven't looked at the checklist. But that's okay. With that being said, I mean, hopefully we get a good portion of the base set, and we are able to maybe, you know, we could open more like fat packs, maybe another blaster, and maybe finish out our run of NXT 2017. Yes, I dropped. It's stuck to the back of Angelo. Sorry for the close-up on the card cam. But, you know, I mean, I really want to get the base sets of a lot of these. I got in a nice plastic, like filing cabinet, store all of the cards. What I'll do is it has 3 drawers. I'm probably going to buy another one, but I'll have like a drawer or 2 for unopened stuff to make videos with, drawer or 2 of open but not sorted, and then the final resting place where everything is sorted, boxed, leaves all the any hits, you know, and have them all properly sorted. Because, you know, my plan is this, you know, I'm gonna put these up. They're collectible trading cards, so put them up. Same for my kiddos. When they get older, they have something. I'm really interested in some of the new ones. Like, I know they're coming out with a new NXT set this year. Interested in getting my hands on those, as well as the Chrome set from this year. Definitely going to try to pick up a couple blaster boxes of it as it comes out. Oh, Paul Ellering. Just got done watching yesterday. I watched the Road Warriors Dark Side of the Ring, and that thing was, man, that was a good episode. If you guys don't watch Dark Side of the Ring, it plays on Vice channel, and then you can always find the episodes after it airs. It is so good. I know that the rumor, I believe the last episode of this season is gonna be about Owen. And as somebody who was in the crowd at Over the Edge, bring out some memories. I'm telling you now, especially with Owen being one of my favorites of all time. A lot of Samoa Joe stuff, which I'm good with. I am a big Samoa Joe fan. Graves, Sami Zayn versus Samoa Joe. Nice. NXT Takeover London, I believe. Beller. Yep. Elias call up card. Walk. Revival. Eric Young. So, um, is there any sets that you guys would like to see me open, especially these base sets like Raw, Then Now, Forever, SmackDown? Any of those things that you'd like for me to keep my eyes out for and try to get my hands on and open up for you guys? There is. Make sure you let me know down in the comments. I'm a big fan of these Topps WWE cards. So if there's any sets that you feel like I have neglected, feel free to let me know. I will definitely see what I can find on them. Also looking at some stuff for Aurora's to open as we go along. We really enjoyed doing the Hatchimal opening, and so I'm going to try to find her a couple things. Buddy Murphy. Moa Joe. Finn Balor. Steel Cage. Freaking epic. Raw Women's Champion. He has done everything there is to do right now in the women's division of WWE. A huge Asuka fan. I've been an Asuka fan since she went into NXT. I think it was the proper choice for her to take over as champion just simply because she has the ability to work with anybody. So when it's time to move the belt, she's going to have a really great match with whoever they put her with. Roderick Strong. All right, where we're getting closer and closer to our hit. Got to see what this. Kind of excited to see what the relic is. Finn Balor defeats Samoa Joe in NXT Takeover Dallas. Another epic moment when Bobby Roode arrives in NXT. Kathy Kelly. Ah, yes. William Regal. Ah, I loved William Regal's work. So, like him there on NXT too. There's Bobby Roode. Nakamura. Beating Sami Zayn. Mandy Rose. Tucker Knight. We have Mojo defeating Tyler Breeze. But yeah, I mean, the look of these cards is pretty awesome. Pretty darn great. No way, Jose. Apollo Crews. Shane Thorne. All right, we only got a couple more till our hit. So, Tom Phillips. Next is, after this is our hit. So. Let's see what we got. I believe this one is a. Yeah, this is a 9 of 10. Gold. Matt Relic. Austin Aries from Takeover Dallas. Check that out. It is a gold 9 of 10. Get that to focus a little better for you guys. There we go. 9 of 10. Austin Aries. NXT Takeover Dallas. Gold relic card. Look at that. That is an amazing, amazing hit. The gold ones, numbered to 10. Very. 2 thumbs up on this box. So very happy. Yeah, I'm super excited about that. That's definitely gonna go in a protector. Right next to that AJ Styles one. And probably the Sasha Banks one. We're getting there, and I'm pretty sure I have a Brooklyn. Okay, yeah, I listen. We got stuff that we got to get protected, put up. I'm just gonna have an entire like bunch of hard cases for these relic cards in their own box, just lined up. So I'm super excited now, guys. All right, yeah, I'm so excited. I almost forgot to show you guys the stack. So here is the stack. That's what we got. what we got right there. That's the stack. Good day. Good day. Good day. So, guys, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please, like button. Yeah, subscribe. Subscribe. Tell somebody, tell a friend. Let them know what we're doing here. But until then, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Be good.